Hey, well, hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got these in. It is the Blob in 4K UHD, released by Screen Factory, and Hardboiled 2: The Last Blood, released by 88 Films. So let's get it started. Alright, let's start with Hardboiled 2: The Last Blood. Nice artwork on this, extremely nice. You guys want to pause that and read it? This is only supposed to be sold in US and Canada, but as you can see in the bottom, it says A and B region. Same artwork. Of course, the case is different. It's the transparent black one. Comes with a poster, I think that's it. Let's check out the poster first. You see that's the new artwork. And the original Hong Kong poster. Nice stock paper. I saw the trailer and that it looks action packed, so I'm gonna enjoy this one. And the other side of the insert. Original Hong Kong poster. Personally, I like putting the original Hong Kong poster on the other side, so that's what I'm going to do. And let me just show you the slipcase. It's very sturdy very sturdy. Good quality from 88 Films. Next up is Screen Factory's The Blob in 4K UHD. You guys want to read that? Transfer was made by Sony themselves. Love the remake. Not sure if I saw it in the theater. I think I did. Just the same things printed on the front and the back. I'm gonna have my little own Halloween marathon, and this is gonna be one of them. This is the regular Blu-ray. I'm pretty sure Sony is gonna release their own 4K of the Blob, most likely next year, with better coding and everything. That's the 4K UHD. And it's nice that they have something on the other side of the insert. I think this was the VHS cover. Very nice. I am expecting my Hellraiser box set to come in. I did get both. Got the Pinhead box set, and then I got the Chatter. Looks like the Chatter is going to get here before Diabolic ships, because for some reason my order is late. But that's fine. And I switched it around. Beautiful. But hey, if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.